Hey everyone, minasan konnichiwa. Welcome to our channel by Bhasha. This is Bhargav.
This is Shalmili.
Today we'll be making Japanese style dumplings known as gyoza.
Gyoza are super soft yet absolutely crispy and they taste really amazing.
Today we'll be using chicken in this recipe, but pork eaters can use pork. Also, this recipe can be converted into a vegetarian vegan recipe by using veggies instead.
For more such interesting and amazing recipes, do click that subscribe button and also don't forget to hit that bell icon. So without any further delay, let's get started with
Gyoza!
Today we'll be making gyoza from scratch. That is the gyoza wrappers, the stuffing and the sauce. First, to make the gyoza wrappers, use 200 grams all-purpose flour. We made around 16 big wrappers with this amount. If you want, you can make smaller ones and double the number of wrappers. Add 1 teaspoon salt to this and mix. Now slowly in parts add 100 ml warm water and mix and knead until it forms a soft ball. Cover and keep aside for 15 minutes. In the meanwhile, let's prepare the stuffing. In boiling water, add about 65 grams cabbage and let it soften for a minute. Once done, wrap it in a kitchen paper and wipe the excess water. Also, finely chop the cabbage and half long onion and 2 pods garlic and keep them ready along with minced chicken for the filling. Let's come back to the dough. Roll it in a big log and cut it in half and then make small pieces and roll them into small balls. Flatten the balls and keep them aside for about 15 minutes. Now in a mixing bowl, we'll make the filling. Add 250 grams minced chicken. Next, add the finely chopped boiled cabbage, finely chopped long onion, finely chopped garlic. Add 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon pepper. We will be adding salt afterwards as we thought the mixture may become soggy if we add it right now. Mix well until they all combine. We recommend using your hands for this as mixing is easier that way. Keep aside. On a flat surface, sprinkle some flour. Roll the balls using a rolling pin. Try to make them round. Of course, they don't have to be perfect. Usually the wrappers are thin, but don't make them too thin, otherwise they may break once you add the stuffing on them. In Japan, you get these gyoza wrappers in the supermarkets very easily. We also get ready-made frozen gyoza as well. But making them at home from scratch is another feeling altogether. After you've rolled out all the wrappers, set them aside for some time. Make sure to add some flour when you pile them up so they won't stick to each other. Now let's come back to the filling. Sprinkle some salt as per taste and give it a quick mix. You can adjust the amount of veggies and chicken according to your preference. Now in a gyoza wrapper, add a generous amount of filling. Apply some water on the edge of the wrapper. Fold it in a semicircle and start wrapping by making little pleats on one side as shown. I am using about a thumb space distance while making the pleats. Pleat the gyoza till the end and make sure to press firmly all the way so that it doesn't break while grilling. Also, see to it that you hold the gyoza by the pleats so that the shape stays intact. There are many ways of sealing gyoza, but we prefer this method as it is most common and simple. However, you guys can wrap it as you want. Do share your photos or videos with us if you have any other methods. Now let's grill the gyoza. In a heated pan, add some oil and place the gyozas on it. Now fry them till the bottom becomes golden brown. Once ready, keep a lid on the pan and add some water to it. Be careful while adding the water as it may splash. Cover and cook until there is no water left in the pan. Once all the water is gone, they are ready to serve. Cover the pan with a plate and flip it upside down. That's how they do it in Japan. Please let's be careful and not burn ourselves while doing this. And that's it guys. Super crisp and soft gyoza is all ready. Now to make the sauce or the dip, mix some vinegar, soy sauce and chili oil together. Now dip the crispy and juicy gyoza in the sauce and enjoy!
Thank you so much for watching this recipe till the end.
We have received a lot of requests from you to make more Japanese food, and we will get back to you with all of those recipes, so stay tuned for more.
For instant updates, remember to hit the bell icon when you subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have any more suggestions, please leave a comment below or you can DM us on Instagram.
All the links are in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching.
Arigatou gozaimashita. Bye bye.